How can I tell if a repair recommendation is unnecessary? You can protect yourself by asking for clear evidence, comparing opinions, and checking whether the repair fixes a real safety, performance, or damage problem. A trustworthy repair recommendation should explain what is wrong, why it happened, and what could happen if it is not fixed. Ask the contractor to show you the problem with photographs, measurements, test results, or a safe in-person demonstration. For example, a claim about a leaking pipe should include the leak's location and signs of water damage, not just a warning that your pipes are old. Get the written estimate to separate urgent repairs from improvements that can wait. Then contact at least 2 qualified contractors and give them the same information, because different recommendations can reveal whether someone is exaggerating. You can also check manufacturer instructions, local building requirements, or an independent inspector when the repair is expensive. A useful question is, what evidence proves this needs to be done now, and what happens if I wait? Be careful when a contractor pressures you to decide immediately, refuses to explain the work, or recommends replacing a whole system when a smaller repair may solve the problem. Keep records of photographs, estimates, and test results so you can compare advice clearly. One common mistake is assuming a confident explanation must be correct, so ask for proof instead of relying on urgency or technical words. Another mistake is choosing the cheapest estimate without checking what it includes, so compare materials, labor, permits, warranties, and the exact repair method. Some people also confuse maintenance with an emergency. Ask whether the issue creates an immediate safety risk, active damage, or loss of essential service, and schedule routine work when you have time to investigate. If the recommendation involves mold, electrical hazards, gas, structural movement, or hidden damage, do not disturb dangerous areas yourself. Seek a licensed professional or independent inspection. Finally, do not approve work that keeps changing after the job begins without a written explanation and your permission. If you need help with a project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. Another option is to download our app, JobIt Tier, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts and contractors reach out, message you back, and offer their estimates.